Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Let me find my camera. Turn her back on. There we go. I copy, Treff. I copy. Can you hear me? Sorry, I was messing around with the Husk over there trying to get him on a joint stream, but technical difficulties couldn't get her done. So, I don't know. Couldn't get it done. So I guess you guys just have to deal with me today. Excuse me. Let's see here. Let's make sure all the copiers are off. They are. Let's get on to a chart or onto an eval. We have to put it on here. We want to do a. Guess we can do a Bulenox eval. Crypto, how's it going? What do we want to do? Do we want to use a eval from? We're going to be on eval only today. Do we want to use one that we're trying to pass? Or a fresh one? Seems like a fresh one might be the way to go, right? A fresh evaluation might be the way to go. Decent move overnight, 100 plus points. 100 plus points overnight there. My chart is right now. It's 9:22. It's on the 2-minute right now, but there's the 1-minute. What up, Trading Mints? September 1st, so the 90% off sale does end. Did it end already? Wait. Did the Bulenox 90% off sale end yesterday? Let me look. That did. I didn't even know that. Dennis, good morning. So the Bulenox 90% off sale actually ended yesterday. Did not know that. So they're at 75% right now. Well, I don't want to buy one at 75%. Crypto, usually like 30-second to 1 minute, something like that. Tamimi in the house. Yeah, Tamimi, sometimes you got to go undercover. That's just how it is. Sometimes that's what you got to do. Andy, how's it going? Good morning. Oh, crypto, yeah, you'll see. Full degen trading, I don't know. What's up, Anna? I don't know what account I want to pick up. I guess we'll mess with an Apex account. 12 Central, I believe, invest. I guess we'll pick up an account from Apex. 25K. Well, Lightsaber. Do we full send it open? What do we do? I don't think we full send. May not be too many trades today. We'll see. All right, let's pick up this Apex eval here. See what we get. We'll check and just make sure there's no news. So yeah, 90% off Apex went, or not Apex, Bulenox went away here. I gotta sneeze, guys. Woo! Excuse me. You should have stayed in overnight. You went to sleep after your first targets. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that, crypto. I mean, you have no way of knowing that it's going to go to the moon like that. I mean, let's look at the higher time frame. Do we have anything obvious here? We still have that 690 area up there that looks very inviting. All these relative equal highs up here. So you got a lot of liquidity resting up there, 690. We already inversed. Yeah, still got that. I mean, that kind of would be my thought process there. Is that maybe we push into the 690? We'll see. We'll see if that happens today. Tamimi's trying to press the buttons of the moderator over here. He's trying to press the button. We're going to be doing giveaways today, guys. Cash and account. I am giving a 150K Take Profit Trader account away today, guys. They gave me a free account, and like I always do, I'm giving it to you. And we're going to give away some cash, too. No news today. Jeffrey, how's it going? Going to give it to you guys. You do have to be subscribed to the channel. Andy needs a new account. Uh-oh, Andy, that's not a good sign if you need a new account. Andy won the last one. Oh. All right, let me disconnect Apex and see if our eval is ready. Our eval is ready. Let's go. Let me mark out this kind of like 692 area here. Oh, you okay? Good, Andy. Good. I was scared for a moment. I mean, it's fine if you blew it, right? I probably would blow it too. I'll be like, this is a free account. I'm going to blow it. I'm just going to be aggressive, right? So obviously no news today. No news. So we're just going to kind of just be winging it type deal. Looking for something to happen. We have the low, the London low sitting down here, 511. Asia low has already been ran. Asia high has already been ran. So we'll just see. Tamimi, we had technical difficulties this morning on his end. He couldn't figure it out. He's a bit of an idiot. Sorry. You know, he's running from that warrant. He thought there might be a reward today if he joined the stream, so he's running from that warrant. He couldn't figure it out. We got it working for like a second, and then he's gone. So I don't know. I guess I need to update the Streamlabs and stuff. One or the other. I don't know, Tamimi. It's one or the other. We were so close. I had him on video, had his audio up, and then all of a sudden his video disappears and he could never figure out how to get it back. And then his audio disappeared. So I was just like 20 minutes into trying to troubleshoot it. we had to just give up. So, Evelyn, good morning. We had to just give up over there. That's all right. Maybe another time. Maybe we'll try it in a little bit. I don't know. Let's see here. Excuse me. Kosiji, how's it going? You the man. The giveaway prizes, Jazz, are going to be a 150K Take Profit Trader account. And we're going to give away a couple of $50 prizes, probably. 25, 50. We'll do a poll. We'll find out. We'll either do like two $50 prizes or four 25s. It's up to you guys. It's up to you guys. What up, 7-2 offsuit? That's a great hand. 7-2 offsuit. So at open, I probably would like something like this. Let's pull back, sweep some of this liquidity, and then kind of go. Like a little fish hook. No, this is the... What is this? 200. That's a 200. Here we go. Yes, it's just way up there. Do we hold and sell off here? I don't know. What do you guys think? What up, volatility? Good morning, Benny. Wait too many buyers before the VWAP. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Yonix, what up? You're on the sell. We'll see, Woju. I mean, I don't hate the sell. Kind of got, you know, this grind up here. You got a little liquidity kind of resting down here, but then again, wicks like to get ran, right? We got us a wick sitting up here, so we'll see. The day you're here, VIP's here. What up, Holy Grail? Look at her go. Might jump in long. What up, Tarno? Got to win that account giveaway. I like it. I like it. Woo, Yonix, you looking for 20 points today? That's a tough grab today. I don't know what I'll be looking for as far as point size goes. Maybe like 5 points minimum. Roswell, Georgia. Right down the street, Flavia. Bendana. Flavia? You're about an hour from me. That's about an hour away from me. Woju, just because the market's going to be moving so slow, I don't know if we'll get more than that. I mean, I'll look for 5 on the initial. I'll probably go into... So we'll kind of see what happens. We'll see what happens. Yeah, they pay Onyx. I just requested a $1,500 payout. Yesterday morning, whatever, yesterday afternoon. We just requested a $1,500 payout. What up, Caesar? Oops. Max was making some sort of noise over here, so... If you heard him, he's... You have to send a video of you doing a chicken dance? Oh, yeah, Caesar. I'm in outside of Athens, Georgia. Athens, Georgia. Okay, how did that... What in the world is going on here? You guys see that? I mean, that wicked right through my TP there, and it didn't take me out. I mean, I realize it's it's a slow day, but how's that happen? I mean, am I blind there? Am I blind? You're in Johns Creek? Nice area. I used to work there. Wick your TP. No funded accounts, Bullish Bear. Yeah, Mum, I get the spread, but this is Sim. I mean, this ain't a live account. I get it. All right, it took me that time. Yeah, no funded accounts today, guys. We're not trading fundeds at all. I think today's not a day for fundeds. If you trade your funded, good luck to you. Good luck to you. I would not do it. Keep saying non-tradable symbol. You want to trade NAS. NQU4 should be the symbol. Unless Topstep X automatically rolled over or something. Maybe. You've never been to Athens, Atlanta, only to Savannah. Savannah's nice, Trev. Athens, Atlanta, you ain't missing much. You ain't missing much. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We are going to be doing a giveaway a little later on, probably 10:30, 11. And you will have to be subscribed to enter the giveaway, so get it out of the way early. Benny, because the market's only open half day and the actual stock market itself is not open today. The U.S. stock market is closed all day. So futures are open until noon Central Time, so it's just not going to be... Price action is not going to be very good. Typically, it's not anyway. So that would be the reason. So a little run on liquidity here. We didn't quite make it to this gap down here. I was thinking that we would pull back a little deeper there. We did wick it on the 2-minute. So if we get a little 1-minute inverse here back to the upside, we'll join the party long. We'll join the party long. We'll go ahead and join the party with 1 long. Normally I'd like to join with 2, but you know. You got 15 more seconds on this candle, so. All right, I'm going to add an extra one there. We're going to take it off here at the swing. So we'll take that one off at the swing and we'll go break even there. That'll be 7 points if we're able to get it. Trev says, there will be volatility. Let's go. We hope so. Long the dong. Yeah, we can't say it how T.O. says it. We just say long the dong. There's volatility. He's here. Let me pull up volatility. Volatility, you doing any giveaways today? T.O. mentioned my name in his last video about Coin Tower. Oh, yeah. I need to. I did see that. I didn't see his video on it yet. But I think Volatility sent it to me in Discord. And so I need to, I do need to add it. I've not added it yet. Time sensitive, yeah. We'll see. I'm expecting a run through that wick there at the 32 at least. Bob, right now, FastTrack is still offering the FTT_wedding 49% off through Friday, I think it is. Or through the... When did they say... I don't remember when they said they were going to... When did they say they were going to end that? I'll have to look. Let me look in their Discord and see. I don't remember when they're going to end it. Through September the 5th. Yeah, I'm using Apex right now. This is Apex that I'm on. For the next 9 trainings, you'll be giving away a 50K starter account. Nice. He's starting to develop Quant Tower because he bought a bunch of FT. Oh, did he? Let's go. Your first private 636. Yeah. I took mine at the swing. I mean, it's 7 points. It was enough for me. Yeah, it's not 90% Moses anymore. They changed it 75. I'm waiting to see if they do something today, though. Maybe, you know, like intraday, sometimes they change codes. So, let me see if they've done anything. What up, Sin City? Oh. Nope, still. Yeah, it's 75% so far. I'll keep looking at it. What'd Tom say, Trev? Oh, good old Tom. I've never used Bluesky. I do have a code for them, but I've never used them. I want to see this thing run here. We're at break even, so can't lose, but Elite Trader funded is Static's only $300. What type? iJazz, let me look at the details on that. Hold me. I'm in the stream early because I'm at a point in my trading where I don't feel like sitting here benefits me very much. Oh, guys, let me turn the ads off today. I don't want the ads on. Let me turn the ads off. I don't know if I can turn them off, like, completely. I do use Bulenox crypto. I've already taken several payouts from Bulenox. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, it doesn't benefit me to sit here all day and to continue to call out trades in the middle of the day that don't make sense and that I'm not going to take. I could do that if you guys want, but like, if I'm not taking the trades, I feel like it's kind of stupid. I trade the 50K accounts with Bulenox typically. Typically, that's what I trade. I need to activate one of my accounts. I'm glad you said that. Let me do that now. Yeah, Trev, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's like sitting here, it doesn't do anybody any good because I'm going to call out trades, but I'm not taking them, number one. And I feel like if I'm not taking them, it's kind of like pointless to do. But Bulenox. Let me go ahead and pay for this Bulenox account right quick. Here we go. Look at her go. All right, so I am going to move this up now. I would like to see how far we can go. I mean, I'm thinking 690 is the draw, but I don't know that we get there directly. $636, bingo. yeah, Trev. Boner candle, 5 points. Oh, you the man, Lavi, you the man. You know what I'm saying? Boner candle, you measure 5 points. Oh. But yeah, I think 690s is the draw. Whether we can get there to like today or not, I don't know. We might be able to. All right, we just activated our other Bulenox funded account. RSI is at 65, but we can move to the 80s. I'm thinking 90s. We got a lot of liquidity resting up there. Whether we got the gumption to do that today, I don't really know. But what we'll do is we'll just take the 2 minute. This is kind of like how I like to trail. And we'll move our stop every 2 minute candle. So every new 2 minute candle will lock in the previous one. So technically my stop should still be here. So now it would move to here. And then you just kind of trail it 2 minutes behind. And maybe it pushes all the way into the 90. I don't know. That's where I would ultimately take profit at if it gave it to us. So we'll see what happens. I think if it's going to start to run in the next 5 points, it should go, right? Or next 5 minutes, not 5 points. Show us how to activate a Bulenox funded account starting from the credit card number ending with the CVV2. Yeah, go into your wallet to Mimi, pull out your own card, type the number in the chat, include all the information, your address, zip code's important. Got to know your zip code. Type it in the chat, and everyone else will buy an account using your card. You know? Come on, let's push. Got a little wick test here we need to hold at 37, 38 area. Little wick test. Yeah, don't forget the last 3 numbers on the back. Yeah, exactly. Little wick test here. Yeah, we need the zip. We need the last. We need this. We need the code. We need it all. $20 seconds left on this candle. Or you could just win that free Take Profit Trader account that we're going to be giving away here shortly. I'll probably go ahead and start the giveaway in the next 10-15 minutes. But we won't actually give it away until probably like 10:30. And then let me start a poll here. I'm supposed to move my stop up here. I'm supposed to move it to here. I'm going to give it a little bit of room. So we're locking in $200. If we get past this high up here, I will move it back up to the bottom of this candle. Try to give it a little more room. But I'm going to start a poll. VIP, we're going to do the, it'll show you in just a minute. So we can either do, the options are going to be two, four. Oh, it got me there. Well, we tried it. I mean, I think this draw is higher here. Tough to short this. But this is setting up for a short setup. We are about to run into the 950. So a pullback might make sense. What would be the stop? 10 points. Democracy, that's right. Democracy in action. This is technically a short trigger here. I'm kind of bullish. I mean, we did sweep liquidity. I don't know what we're delivering from. Really nothing. Maybe there's a 15-minute up here or something. I don't know. I didn't really check. I guess there is. Not really anything. We're not really delivering from anything here. So, I mean, it is a decent looking short setup, but I'm bullish. So, a little scared to take it here. If I did take it, it might go smaller size. Target would obviously be the low right here. 675, how it's cause I'm on live stream? What? It ran head into the 1 hour 200. Yeah, that might be what knocked it back down, huh? I mean, I feel like it pushes up. I don't know. We'll see. We got stopped out there, so even if we would have left our stop at break even, let's see if that would have made a difference if we had left our stop here. Let me check on my Apex payout. Let's see how it goes. I'm not going to be like Jay and refresh it every 19 seconds. Every time somebody would ask, Jay would refresh. So, pending. Here's all my payouts, guys. You know, I'm completely open and honest with you guys. Transparent. Show you everything. So these are all the payouts from Apex over the life of my accounts. You can see first payout came at 18, PA number 18. We're currently at PA number 69. And we're obviously on eval 227, which you can see right there. So, oh yeah, Jay's fun. Of course, I like Jay too. But some would say we're on the perfect We're on the perfect PA number right now. So, what's going on, Midnight? How you doing? Hot streak. Are you talking about like a prop firm, or are we talking about cash? Oh, you got stopped at your first target 636. That's about where I had my stop. A little bit higher, a little lower actually, 635. Prop firm hot streak. I would go with man. To be honest with you, I'm really liking, like, the more I think about Take Profit Trader, guys, I really want to concentrate this month on Take Profit Trader. Getting those 5 accounts from them. I like the idea of the daily payouts. But if you're looking for upfront cost, obviously Bulenox is the way to go. So, who asked me about Bulenox? Did somebody ask me about Bulenox? I thought I saw, or no? $69 to Mimi, 69. Topstep seems easier. I mean, you're wrong. It's definitely not easier. You can't pass it in one day. What makes that easier? It's like, I mean, if we're looking for overall cost, my funded futures, obviously, right? You get $500 extra in drawdown with my funded futures than you do with Topstep. Costs you $76 up front. Topstep costs you $50. You don't have an activation fee. You can take a payout in 5 days after making $100 per day for 5 days. So the rules with my funded futures are much better. The only thing you can't do is hyper scalp. So, yeah, Bob, no worries. FastTrack Trader Trev is linked up at the top of the chat there. $91 right now. You're confused why I'm using eval. If you pass, doesn't cost $148 to activate instead of why aren't you buying the $90 FastTrack? Frank, we are on an eval because of the day, because it's holiday. Argana, how's it going? Good morning. So if there was a regular day of the week, I wouldn't buy an eval, but since it's not, we're on an eval. We're on an eval. I love FastTrack Trader, David. So far, I've got 20 accounts with them currently, and I've taken out $11,500 over the last 6 weeks in payouts. There's my 20 FastTrack accounts. We have 10 accounts that are within $400 a payout. So 10 accounts within $400 a payout. So we'll be slapping that payout sometime next week, sometime this week maybe. We'll see. And then we got 3 APEX accounts that are within, or 2 APEX accounts that are within like $400 a payout as well. So probably looking at like 15K in payouts in the first week of this month, which is nice. Yeah, if you're scalping, Sam, it's fine. You just need to get those 22 ticks. Yeah, Brad, it's use the coupon code MM and get it for $76 on my funded futures there. With Bulenox, you do, Bob. So with Bulenox, I've taken 2 payouts out of this account. I'll show you here. You got to get it to $3,600 to take out $1,000. So I've taken 2 payouts out of this account. Currently back to 51.5. I took $1,000 loss on it one day last week, so we're just kind of easing it back up. So I got to get it back to 3,600 to take another 1,000. So, but that being said, what does that allow you to do? That allows you to keep the account long term, right? It allows you to take $1,000 loss and still have the account. Those kind of things. So would have probably stopped us out there for no money. FastTrack trading is great. Hold me. So basically, all you do is you make $12.50 on the rally account. You can take $12.50 payout. It's that simple. You pay for the account. You get it. You make $12.50. And then without passing the 20% consistency rule, and you take the full payout, and you just blow the account. And you buy a different one. That's all you do. That's all you got to do. I don't think they're a scam, Mudbum, at all. I don't think they're a scam. So, Yeah, midnight. I think 25K is the best value for your buck. So you got to understand. So the way it works, someone asked about FastTrack a moment ago. I do copy trade all my accounts, Desi. 20 accounts at once. The way it works with FastTrack, just think of it like this. You get the rally account, 25K for $90. That's your all-in cost. Links at the top of the chat. Coupon code FTT_wedding. And all you got to do is make $1,250 over the first 5 days. Or I would just ignore that and go for the 10-day payout. That means you've only got to average $125 a day for the first 10 days to get to the $1,250 payout. And then you can kind of extrapolate that. Start off with maybe 5 accounts. Start off with 5, get to a payout, and now you're paying them with their own money. And that's what I've done. So I made $11,500 in payouts, and I'm into them for about $1,800. But now the $1,800, now every time I buy accounts, I'm paying them with their own money. So, but yeah, the people get tripped up by that 20% number there. So this short is playing out just slowly. People get tripped up by that 20% number. But the thing is, they're not limiting how much you can make. You just have to be consistent with the 20%. So let's say you're a person that averages $500 a day. Well, you just got to keep it at $500 a day. So at $500 a day times 10 days, there's no cap on how much profit you can make. I think it's 50K per account. So at $500 a day times 10 days, that's $5,000. You can only take out a $1,500 payout. That leaves you with $3,500 buffer. Plus, you could flip a micro for the next 10 days and take out another $1,500 without ever taking another trade. Then you could do it again and take out another $1,500 without ever taking another trade and still have $500 in drawdown left on the accounts. So there's no eval. Hold me. It's direct to funding. No rules on scalping, Bob. No rules at all. I want you guys to think about the statements that were just made. Think about the statements. There's no rules on scalping. And then if you scroll up a little bit, someone said, I don't know how they can make it with no commissions. Think about those two statements. Just think about them. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, we're talking about FastTrack here, Tamimi. 10 o'clock here. All right, we're going to go ahead and start the giveaway for the 50K Take Profit Trader account, guys. Now, you don't have to pay for anything on this 50K account. You just have to have an account with Take Profit Trader. So if you win and you don't have an account, you'll have to sign up for a Take Profit Trader account. But you don't have to pay for anything. And it's a 150K account too, which is nice. Thought you were capped at 20% consistency, like on a 25K account, you can't make more than 240. No, midnight. You can make as much as you want. That's what a lot of people forget. That's what they get confused about. They're like, oh, you can only make 240 a day. No, that's not it. You can make as much as you want. You just have to be consistent with that number. So if you make $500 a day, then now you got to multiply that by the 0.20 to find out how much profit you would need to get to in order to take a payout and stay below 20% consistency. So let's just say you made 500 the first day. You 500, I'm sorry, divided by 0.20. You would need to get to $2,500 in profit to maintain 20% consistency and be able to take a payout, right? Now, you could chop that $2,000 that you got left to make up in any way possible. So you got $2,000 left to make. You can chop that up any way possible as long as it's less than $500. That's how it works. So, yeah, hold me, but don't get caught up. Like I'm saying, don't get caught up on that rule. What's up, Robert? Good morning. Anybody else? Yeah. Alex, I think I missed you. There you are. But yeah, it's nice. So exclamation point cash in the chat here if you want to be registered for the 150K take profit trader account there. All right, we're going to outline this here. We swept the low here. We have a bullish SMT right now with the ES. We're still in a 2-minute fair value gap. So if we switch over to the 2-minute chart, oops. Also, my funded futures, I did forget, they are having a 20% off sale on the expert accounts. So if you guys are interested in the My Funded Futures expert accounts, they do currently have 20% off. I think it's like $130, something like that for that account. No activation fee. All right, somebody just subscribed. Who was that? Trade and Jazz. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. It's an eval, crypto. This is an eval giveaway. You have to pass the eval to get to the funded account. It would be nice if they just gave you a funded account, huh? Sure would be nice. So if we can hold this 2-minute gap and we close back above this gap, I think we rerun the highs again and we'll join the party once again. So my idea for the trade is a push up, close to go higher, right? Now this could happen. Push up, hold, and then close below this way and go there. Those are our options. Mad Moxie in the house. Yeah, Bob, that's the tough thing. You don't have Ninja. But you can use Quantower. I mean, Quantower's not bad. I like Quantower. Only playing with your My Phone in Future channel? Yeah, me too. Mad Moxie makes sense. Visible. Quantower doesn't freeze on me at all. I just sometimes get a little laggage with my feels, but you know, overall it's not bad. Yeah, I mean, I use Quantower because I can trade across all the props, right? That's why I use Quantower. I mean, I copy trade, you know, you can, I got all my FastTrack set up, but if I wanted to, you know, you can trade across APEX, My Funded Future, Take Profit Trader, Bulenox, anything. So looking like the draw is just lower here. We're just sitting here on our hands. You would have to make 2,500 profit target over the next 5 days. Over the next 10 days, midnight. If you wanted to go for the 5-day payout, you would make you would have to do it over the next 5 days if you were going for the 5-day payout. But just remember, the 5-day payout is a maximum of $1,000, where the 10 days $1,500. So I would go for the 10-day. I don't know if there's an advantage there, Bob. The only thing I would say is like the copy trade across all the props is the main advantage. I don't know, Emmanuel. They've talked about getting to Ninja, but I don't think Ninja is accepting any new props right now. So yeah, T.O. promotes my codes. T.O.'s my man. He's the man. I'm going to visit T.O. in November. Or no, wait, mid-October. What is you soil your views? What is that, Sorab? I don't know what that is. T.O.'s the man. I'm going to go visit T.O. We'll try to get him on video. I don't know if he'll let me, but we'll try. we'll see if he's willing to reveal his face. I don't think T.O.'s ever showed his face. So, but I'm going to try to meet up with him in October. I'm going to Austin, Texas to watch the Georgia-Texas football game. I'm going to fly out there, and then I'm going to drive to Dallas to meet up with T.O. I think it's like a 3-hour drive, but it's worth it. Like to meet up with T.O. to be fun. Cicerone 1, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. So, still just pushing lower here, guys. Is this thing going to sell down to, are we really going to run that high there and just push down to the 5s? Maybe. Oh, yeah, we do have the, I did forget about the new week opening gap. Where's that at? Isn't it around the 600s? That might be where we're working our way back to, huh? Right here. 5.99. I bet that's probably what we're targeting there. I forgot about that. I forgot about the new week opening gap down there, 5.99. 5.75 would be the lowest, yeah. That fixed all the rhythmic. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, like, I thought about, oh, use soil as CLR crude. Oh, okay, yeah, I don't use that. I don't mind Ninja. I like Ninja. Can you say again what you multiply your highest profit day by? So you divide it by 0.20. So if you divide it by 0.20, so 500 divided by 0.20, I know I said multiply, then that gives you the number that you need to achieve over the next 9 days minus what you've already made without going over what you've already made. So if you go 500 divided by 0.20 gives you $2,500. That means if you minus the 500 you already made, you need to make $2,000 over the next 9 days without going over $500 in order to qualify for a payout without breaching the 20% mark. Now, let's say you do go over the $500 and your next day is $750. Does that kill your payout? No. Now you need to multiply 750 times 0.20 to get the next profit target that you need to make over the next 8 days minus the $1,250 that you've already made in the first 2 days without going over 750. Sounds confusing, but it really is not. So, Brad, if you can copy across all props on Ninja, then let me know how. I've never seen that done. Assuming you that print candles less than a minute long has literally caused me nonstop small progress. Uh-oh. Winter circle. Uh-oh. Point of control 601. Right. FastTrack Trader, if you're using the Nitro, it is. Yeah. You could be a math genius. Yeah. Yeah, so basically, I mean, Diary of a Futures Trader, it's just like your largest day divided by 0.20 gives you the total amount. Then you subtract whatever profit you've already made in those first days, and then you can divide what profit you need left over the next number of days that you have left to reach that number. If you go over, it's okay. You just have to make more money. So that's what people are like, oh, you're limited to the 20%. That sucks. You're not. You are not. Literally, anybody who's watched Kyle, Damn Good Trading, I mean, he on his last payout, he was already like 60K over the buffer for his next payout. He was already at payout. Once he took his first payout, he was already at his second payout level. He literally just had to flip to get to a second payout or maintain what he had. Yeah, Cicero, that makes sense, but like then I have to have everything on Tradeovate, and I already got everything on Arithmetic, so it's tough for me. I know about that way. And see, the funny thing about that is before Cicerone, all my accounts were on Tradeovate, and then I don't know if you remember, maybe like a year ago, Tradeovate went through all those growing pains where we were having very similar problems to what we have now on on Rhythmic, and so I switched from Trade-O-Vate to Rhythmic. So Bob, I like Bulenox because they got great customer service. You can have 11 funded accounts. There are no rules in the funded account other than a 40% consistency rule. You can scalp, you can bracket trade, you can use a bot, you can DCA, you can do whatever you want to do. They do not care as long as you maintain the 40% consistency rule. And their customer service is awesome. That's why I like Bulenox. I can message them right now and they will respond within 2 hours with an issue. So that's why I like them. Now that stuff could change later on. Oh yeah, this year is like zoomed by so fast, Winter Circle. You're not even wrong. Yeah, I have Replicanto crypto too. I just don't do it on Ninja. I don't, I don't know. It's just be tough to switch everything back over to Trade-O-Vate, I guess. I guess maybe it wouldn't be that tough. I could do it. The problem is, well, I guess Bulenox, you could still have that one connection be Bulenox, because Bulenox doesn't have Trade-O-Vate. So we're doing the giveaway Israel. We're doing it in about 15 minutes. Oh, let me see. Did it end? Let me see if it did it end there. No. I got to make sure I got to watch the timer because I'm going to extend it. We'll do the giveaway at about 10:30, and then we'll do the other stuff after that, the cash. Well, let me check. Let me check with Bulenox to make sure they didn't change anything. They did not. Yeah, guys. If you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Yeah, Bob, they say 11 accounts on the site. You can have 11 funded at one time. Will trading stops work on copied accounts? Should, to Mimi. You can put in a stop for sure. The only thing good that's happening is got to move to Ormond Beach. Oh, nice. You love Trade-O-Vate, but the no bracket orders. Yeah, that is one of the things with Trade-O-Vate. You can't put in a bracket order. That would not affect me so much because that's kind of how I would like to do it anyway. I don't like to have a bracket order in. I like to just put the order in once I enter the trade. I like to manually put my stops where I want them and stuff like that. Now, I will say that sometimes I get myself in trouble because the stop is bigger than I realize by not putting in a bracket order. And at least a bracket order gives you a sense of how big the stop actually is, right? If you know you have a 15-point bracket order, let's say, or a 15-point stop in on a bracket order, then you would realize, like, wow, that stop's big, right? Oh, trailing stops. Yeah, you can do trailing stop. I like Take Private Trader money. I'm trying to get to 500 accounts with them. Right now I got 2 evals that are about halfway there. The only thing I don't like is the daily loss limit, that it kills the account. But the plan is this month to get up to 500 accounts with Take Private Trader and try to start taking daily payouts. That's what I'm going to try to do this month. Also, guys, something I haven't mentioned to you guys, I think I mentioned it once. I'll show you guys in a minute. Yeah, I use my funded futures dark side. I have a funded account with them. They pay very fast dark side, so I request on Friday, and the payouts in my account on Monday or Saturday. Let me go ahead and extend the time on this sell. So yeah, if I request payout on Friday, I got the money in my account on Saturday from my funded futures. But as far as Bulenox goes, you request on Friday, and the money's in your account typically Tuesday or Wednesday, so it's 3 to 4 days. It's going to close at noon Central. That's how you blow up an eval, bread. I thought about taking I want to see. I might take a little VWAP bounce trade here. It might not work. This will be risky. Let's see. I'm watching the ES here. I was going to show you guys something. I'll show you in a minute. Excuse me. Oh, goodness. Hold on one second. Moses, you have to adjust that up. Hold on one second. You have to adjust that number up so that it shows that they're getting the amount they need to get. So you pay the fee. You need to adjust your number up until it shows they're, just put 91.29 in the section that they receive, and it'll automatically calculate it for you. So you pay the fee. You can also you can pay with a credit card, guys. You just have to pay through Wise and select the credit card option. It's about $4 fee per $100 that you spend. So, but yeah, I was going to tell you guys, let me look at this right quick. I'm going to be trading Earn to Trade starting next week. They should have just launched a 60% off sale. Let me see if they got it on here yet or not. Did they offer it? Yep, they are. So yeah, I'm going to start trading Earn to Trade, guys. They now have a 60% off sale there. I got the link in the description for that. And I think the code, do they have a code for that? I don't even know. I don't remember if I have a code with them or not. As sad as that is. But Earn to Trade, I'm going to start using them later this week. All right, I'm going to try a bounce here if we get it off the VWAP. I'm watching the ES. Kind of want to see a direct tap. For the paid accounts? No, they don't charge. Well, they charge you monthly until you pass. Everybody does. Everybody charges you monthly until you pass. But as far as I know, you pay and then just like anything, you activate the account. It should be good. But I'll double check that in just a second here. I'm trying to make sure I don't miss this entry. I may not get it. Let me see if I have them in my description right quick. I'll check on that right quick and see what you're talking about. As far as I know, you pay. So the way they work is like a direct, you know, they have a direct path to funding. Okay, the code's methodical. Shocker. Sometimes ago they charge. No, I've never had a payout, Moran. I've never traded them. This is going to be new for me. But I do know. I'm trying to see what they've changed. No, you're thinking of Earn to Trade. You're thinking of the other one. Not Earn to Trade. What is the other one? Elite Trader Funding. Let me read it and make sure. Woo! All right, I'm taking the long here. That's what I was waiting on there. I'm going to look for like 605. Actually, let's go. I'm going to go 605 on a little VWAP play here. I'm going to hold for now. All right, I'm going to get my stop in now. I don't want to see it come back. Locking in 3 points here. Looking for 05. Yeah, I mean, now you don't have to. You still do the spreadsheet, but you have to. You still have to write it. You still have to do the spreadsheet, but you don't have to keep up with it because it's on the dashboard. I ain't really like. This is not a trade I trust completely, so that's why I put my stop into profit right there quickly. I mean, we could get one more sweep of the low here. I just thought like a little bounce there made sense. I think 05, the 010 area, or the 010. The 10. Anyways. Oh, so earn to trade. Let me go back and read their rules right quick. That's what I was doing. I forgot. So the way it works, as far as I know, is they're direct to fund, or not direct to funding. What am I talking about? But they have a clear path to a live account, right? So you start off with the evaluation. You make $3,000 profit target. You move to this account. All right. Once you move to this account and you make $3,000 in profit, you keep the $3,000 minus whatever the split is with them, and then they move you to this account. So you get a fresh account at every level. And they're not charging you monthly for these accounts. So in other words, you don't pay anything once you get to this account. There's no other fee to continue to move to these accounts. So each account that you move to, you keep your profit from the previous account. So you keep your profit from here, and then you move to this account. Once you get to $6,000, you keep that $6K, and then you move to this account. That's how that's supposed to work. A lot of traps, maybe. Yeah, Moran, you do lose your account when you reach the daily loss. Very similar to Take Profit Trader there. They do only allow you to have one account too, which is kind of a bummer, but yeah, I'm going to give it a go. We'll give it a go. You panicked during the headlights and lost it all in the reversal. Oh, man, that sucks. Yes, you do. You do. We got 4 minutes until kind of that initial balance is set. I don't really know that plays today. We'll see. So, you shouldn't be allowed to exceed the number of contracts, as far as I know. I don't know. If you are, that'd be stupid. But we'll find out. Like I said, I'm going to be new to them too, so I'm going to have to delve into the to all the details. I will make a video today or tomorrow outlining all the rules. So look for that if you want to, if you're interested in it. We're going to do the giveaway here in about 4 minutes. In about 4 minutes. We're going to do oh, I forgot to turn my camera back on. So, what happened? Why is it not coming back up? What's going on here? Trying to get my camera fixed. What's going on with this camera? There it is. Camera being stupid. So it looks like that might play out here. I just moved my stop a little too quick there. Yeah, don't trade this winter circle trader at all. Stick with what you're doing, 1 to 2 trades a day. You'll be good. How come you don't have a gray background like me? Oh, me? I do. Volatility. What do you mean? a gray background. Oh, I changed it. Right click. Let me show volatility. Right click, go down to settings, and go down here to where it says back top color. Change it from gray to black. Back bottom color, gray to black. Scroll down further. Change this gray to black, gray to black. Change all of those gray to black. That's all you got to do. And your background will be black. So right click, settings, and just go change these. Oh, it's overriding it? What are you on? That's weird. Technical difficulties? Yeah, exactly. Oh, Pine Tree. Midnight, that's not a big enough IFVG for me. Yeah, I mean, it's there, but it's not big enough. I mean, I guess on the 30-second chart, you know what? We'll take it. I'm late on the 30-second chart. I really should have been in at 02, and we're in at 05. So 05 was actually my target on that previous long. Okay. Little 4-point scalp there. Nothing crazy. I do use Bookmap Rupish. We got to get that going here soon. How big's enough? Probably in this market about 5. So, Tibbo, I am a full-time trader, but this is not this, and this is my only income. But I'm probably the most transparent person you're going to meet in the fact that my I get most of my money from affiliates, and I'm upfront and honest about that, and I tell you guys that. I'm the only person that's going to let you guys know that. So the affiliate money, the affiliate money is more than my trading, but the goal every month is to beat the affiliate money. So, Squanto, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Oh, Fred, nice job. Let's go invest. So I am a full-time trader, but it's from you guys, basically. I mean, I have made $36,000 this year, which is not a horrible income, right? Excuse me. Can I live on 36K? Yes. Comfortably? No. So. Dun, 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 dun. All right, guys. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 10:34. It's actually closer to 3. We're going to close it at 10:34. And, yeah, look at her go, guys. Look at her go. You could live for 3 years with that money? We need to move to India then. Crypto, that's probably a pretty good shot. I think an IBH touch here might make a lot of sense. I mean, if we get above this, we'd most certainly see high a day, in my opinion. Volatility, of course, is going short as soon as I say that. Volatility, or Fred, Patrick Whelan making about $15,000 a day. Exactly midnight. Probably good. 34K is your beer fund. I agree. Yeah, PW is making about 15K a day. Let's be honest. We know that. We can do math and figure that out. This could be a spot if you wanted to take the most obvious gap. That would be your long trigger. And then your target would be high a day at 45. I think it works. I'm not taking it because I've already been in the long twice. Almost long the bottom. Schreider, the prop firms make a lot of money. A lot of money. All right, guys, you got 37 seconds to get into the giveaway here before we shut her down. Exclamation point cash. In 37 seconds, I'm going to shut it down, and I am not going to reopen it, and we're going to pull it. 20K every day. I don't know how that guy looks. A bit suspicious. I don't know who that is. JC Trades. Trading Journey. I don't think any course is worth the buy. That's my personal opinion. You got everything on YouTube that you can learn in a course for free. You can find it on YouTube for free. Scott, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Yeah, I don't know who JC Trader is. I'll look him up. So, all right, here we go. And we are shutting down the giveaway in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're the man, smart Greeks. Guys, why y'all wait till the last second to jump into the giveaway? Come on now. I know Scott just subscribed, so I'm trying to give him a moment. All right, now it's closed. All right, you guys ready to draw here? We got 169 entrants. Let's see who the winner's going to be. The winner of the free Take Profit Trader 150K account is Scott. Scott slid in under the deadline and won the account. Look at that. He literally was the last. Who was the last person to read? He was the next to last person to receive a ticket. Wow. Scott, are you here? You should be here. Scott, does Scott come in, join the giveaway, and then leave? Oh, there he is. All right, Scott, I'm going to need you to send me a screenshot of your YouTube channel. Click on this circle here, showing me that it is you. Screenshot that, and then I need you to send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com with a screenshot and your email that you're going to be using for your login for your Take Profit Trader account. Send me those two things. You don't have to buy anything with Take Profit Trader if you currently don't have an account. And here comes the target, guys. Woo! Look at that thing. Look at that thing go. And we'll get that account over to you. Sometimes it takes a day or two. Sometimes it's pretty quick. We'll see. Let's see what we get here. Do we continue higher here or not? Look at the ES. I'm going to take the long here. And I'm going to try to take it for like 9 points. Stop will go in once we reach 52 here. Thanks, Rowan. No, this is not a funded account. It's not funded. Volatility somehow is always in the opposite trade of me. So back above the wick, I'm going to put the stop in here at break even. Stops in. So at that point, I really wouldn't want it to come back. And if it does, we'll just be out break even. It doesn't, Kevin. I have a very fast computer. And there's the true retest. Probably going to go without me now. Yeah, that did trap the bears, winner circle. It does happen, Sin City, believe it or not. You just have to wait for it. Look at this thing. It's going to bounce and go again. I probably should have waited. I don't know, man. Maybe I should have just taken it off at the wick there. Like, hindsight's 20/20, obviously, right? I think I think the draw is still 92. I really do. Hey, Megan Lee, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. How much did I make off affiliates a month? Midnight last month. I'm only going to say this once, Midnight, because I made a video on it. And you could just watch it. You could support the channel by watching it. But we made 16.6K off affiliates. So $500, a little over $500 a day for a channel that only has 5,000 subscribers. So you take a channel like Patrick Whelan that has 250,000 subscribers, and you just do the math. Lucas, there is another giveaway. We're going to give away, looks like $50. People are, two $50 giveaways is winning. So what sort of strategy am I using? Steam, I'm using inverse fair value gaps. I do like the initial balance plays too. So initial balance high and low with a wick test are interesting. So Market Maker trying to draw LE message, maybe. Looks like we're going to be doing two $50 giveaways, guys, next. Guys and gals. The new set of 10 days would reset when you request the payout. You don't have to. So, Terrence, once the money is removed from your account, it should reset then, right? I mean, as far as I know. Am I wrong about that? Because that's how I counted it on my payouts. Like, once they removed the money from my account, I started back trading. So yeah, it's a nice pump off that inverse down there. I mean, like, look at my trade down here. Look at my entry. I mean, you know, you can always say what if. 60 points off my entry there. So all right, let's go ahead and get this other giveaway started. Now, with the $50 cash giveaway, guys, you will have to have Cash App or PayPal. If you don't have Cash App or PayPal, please don't enter. Because I'm not going to, there's no other way for me to send it. I would trail it, Rupish. I would probably, if it were me and I was in from lower, then I think that 32 would be a good stop spot, because if we inverse this, then we're probably going back down. So if we close back below this, that would kind of be your idea to stop out. But as long as we hold this, then I think you target 92 and you just hold. All right, let's go ahead and start this cash giveaway. For those of you who have already typed in exclamation cash, gotta do it again. You're trailing the 5 minute. Yeah, that's a good idea too, Rupish. You're moving to full time to do prop firms and investing, but what was your bottlenecks during the process? I mean, the bottleneck is just having the money to sustain yourself while you're not profitable or while you're not making money, right? So that's the main thing. Make sure you have enough money to sustain yourself. I had 1 year. So even though I am doing I'm getting paid from the affiliates, I'm doing the affiliate thing and it's great, but I had 1 year in revenue. I had 1 year saved up. I didn't have to work for 1 year. I had enough money to make it. And that's how I did it. I started the YouTube channel to try to offset some of the costs. It's been successful, obviously, and I'm glad, happy about that. But while learning to trade, I didn't do it necessarily the right way either. I went more than 30K into the red in prop firms before I became profitable. You don't have to go that deep. Nobody does. That's just me throwing money at it instead of learning what I'm doing wrong. Learning from what I'm doing wrong. Goodness. Castro, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to enter to win the $50 giveaway. Must have PayPal or Cash App. Let's go. You're along with from 19,200 with a microscopic CFD contract. Let's go. Nice entry. Look at her go. I should have taken the next retest. We would have gotten the points that we wanted there. I was a little early on my entry, and then I just didn't hold. I didn't want to FOMO back into it, though. But if you bought the retest of IBH there, I mean, that's a zero drawdown entry there. ES pushing up into the 65s here. See if it can get through there. All right, Scott, I got you. Let me go ahead and forward that over to those guys. Forward it over. I don't know whether they're working today or not, but as soon as they send it to you, I will respond to your email to let you know. Let's see. Scott, let me check my junk mail because I don't see your email right now. I don't see your email yet. Let's see. Did you send it to Methodical Man with no underscore? methodicalman@gmail.com. Let me type it in the chat one more time for you. So there's no underscore on my email. Right there. Unless I typed it wrong, I might have. Just send it to you, Breed. I got you. Brad, I got you. 412. I don't know. I would have no idea. Winner circle. I just trade what I see typically. Yeah, it's not been bad midnight. Really, it's not been bad. I mean, we're up $500 on an eval. And I've taken trades that I would take during the day, normal trades, on a normal day. You know. Scooter Scotsley. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I think we'll break 799. 692 is my target for the day. If we hit 692, I think there's nothing else to do. I mean, that's to me is the draw, the clear draw on liquidity. Done for the day. Let's go, Black Beauty. The reason I think that's the clear draw, I mean, obviously it might be a little higher, but you look at all these wicks up here. Look at all these wicks. You got equal highs as well up here, right? Yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, all those touches. So I think we go to 694 area, and then beyond that, I have no idea. So 9K on my Apex 150. Let's go. Nice job. That's a great day. Do I see the latest Trader Oracle video? Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it. I haven't watched it yet, but let me get in there and watch it, get it put on my chart. There's so many benefits to zooming out. Yeah, true. And we'll re-enter again. I mean, if we get another kind of retest here, we don't mind. You know, if we get something kind of in here, we'll take that. Probably don't get it, but if we do, we do. And we'll do this cash giveaway. It looks like it's got about 8 more minutes on it. We'll do it at 11 a.m. straight up. 11 a.m. So if you guys are not yet in the giveaway, exclamation point cash in the chat. Hit the like button, subscribe. Fred, I don't know. Some people said they don't anymore, but I don't know if they do or if they don't. They're a classic, though. I would imagine he still does. Going pretty good, Robert. How you doing today? Man, I just need to make another $400 on those other accounts so I can get those to pay out. What up?
Hey, guys.
My daughter's in here.
Y'all can't see me.
They can't see you.
I don't want them to. I look like a hobo.
You'd have to come over here.
You see my outfit? It doesn't match.
Well, they're not going to see all that. All right, Scott, let me check it. Wonder if Chick-fil-A is open today. Yeah, thanks, Hold Me. Yeah, 30K down stuck. It sucks. Rupish, yes, my kids are interested in trading. My oldest is. Well, not my oldest boy. He wants to learn how to trade. But he probably will go. He wants to go to Georgia Tech.
Which Chick-fil-A?
Any Chick-fil-A.
The one in Epps Bridge is open.
Well, if that one's open, they all should be open.
Yeah, they all are.
Let me see here. They might grow up to become emotionless. That's perfect. Yeah, I'm live today, Currency. We are here. Well, the thing is like, you know, when it comes to like showing someone how to trade or teaching them, you can only show them the things that make you successful. And doesn't necessarily mean that that's going to make them successful. And so that's the thing, you know. And then you can give them the information that you have been through that didn't work. But ultimately, like with anything in life, you cannot, just because one person is successful trading one way, does not mean the next person would be the same. So that being said, you can only, you know, do so much. That's why courses don't work. So, yeah, that's what he's going to do, Emmanuel. Trade Bum, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You the man. Your kid's calling Q your work husband. Let's go. Yeah, that's right. Rupish, so it's like just one of those things like, and that's why I tell everybody all the time, like I was talking about the courses and stuff. Someone was asking, is the course worth it? In my opinion, they're not. Now, if you've paid for a course and it helped you, then that's awesome. But in my opinion, you can find everything you need right here on YouTube. Screen time is really what you need, because here's the thing. If you're trying out a strategy and it doesn't fit your personality, I say this all the time, you're not going to be successful at it. So what do I mean by fit your personality? Well, if you're a person who's anxious and you want to move your stop quickly, then a strategy where you're swing trading for 100 points is not going to fit your personality very well, because you're going to be super anxious. You're going to want to take profits, so on and so forth. So like for me, that's kind of my scenario. I don't hold for 100 points because it doesn't fit my personality. I like holding for 10 to 15 points, maybe 20. I'll get the occasional ripper, for a 100-point move higher or something like that. But for the most part, I'm looking for 10 or 15 points. That's why the inversion strategy works so well for me. And also with the inverse strategy, you're moving the stop very quickly, which I like. So David White, thank you for your subscription. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. You the man. Only Patrick Whelan's course is worth it. What if it rules base trading? Shouldn't the results be the same? No. Because Lucas or Shredar, no matter if it is rule-based, there are going to be trades, even if you and I are trading the same strategy, there are going to be trades that I might take and you might not, or you might take and I might not, based on screen time, based on experience or lack thereof, right? So that is only going to come with screen time. It's only going to come with experience and chart time. That's all. You got over 30 resets in the past month. Probably use the easiest 5% off. Yeah, I see my profits every month, Alexander. I see them all month long. They're proven edge, realizing they need, yes. Well, that's it in Winner Circle. Also knowing when to trade and when not to trade, when to walk away, when not to walk away. Yeah, 25 to 40 points. I mean, I think that's a good target, crypto. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So, the Tabernacle of Congregation. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I mean, really, it's completely, that's all I'm saying. Like, people are like, oh, this person, that person is the best trader. They do great. They do this. They do that. I'm going to follow them. I'm going to copy exactly what they do. Well, copying somebody's just not going to make you successful, number one. Number two, just because they're successful trading a certain way doesn't mean you're going to be. Going for the 10 to 20 points seems like it would save on drawdown. Yes, you're absolutely correct. I love music so much. When you're trading an intraday trailing drawdown, locking in profits at an early point keeps your drawdown intact for sure. Certainly does. Like this 25K that we're trading today. We were up $500. 26.5. What? 3,500. Hold on. I don't know if the liquidation change. Oh, there it is. 24,099. So 24,099. So we lost $100 in drawdown. I trade the pivots. I don't trade. I do trade some wicks, ES and Q. I only like the 5-minute wick test if it made a high or a low. I mean, it's kind of like a break and retest. I mean, it's really simple. I like the wick test when it aligns with like initial balance high or low. Like here, you see this 5-minute wick aligns with initial balance low. This 5-minute wick aligns with the high. So I like the trading those wicks when they align like that, but I don't trade them very often, to be honest, but I do see those work. I do see them work. Yeah, crypto, I mean, there's a lot of different things you can use. You know what I mean? 15K a month in affiliates. Well, there's still pressure midnight. Think about it like this, midnight. Yes, I'm making a nice amount from affiliates, but if I'm not showing you guys profit, if I'm not showing you guys, that I'm successful trading, would I have that much affiliates? I don't think so. Volatility is about to do a giveaway, guys. If you want to jump over there and enter, there's this link to his channel. You got about a minute if you want to jump in there, he said. So if you look right here and you see my payouts, now I'm not over here buying 100 accounts. Like, I'm at 227 evals on my Apex. I mean, for the payouts that I have, I think that's pretty solid, right? I've had 25 FastTrack accounts, and then I'm on 26 my funded future accounts. Like, I'm not so deep in the number of accounts that I'm, that it's anything crazy. So I'm not just throwing money at it, is what I'm trying to say. I'm trading a strategy where I'm winning 85% of the time on my trades, and somewhere around 8.5 out of 10 days. So, you guys see it. You see it live. So I could just be a trader where I just throw money at it and I don't care. There's some of them out there. So you demand smart Greeks. Let's go. But yeah, there's some out there, guys. I almost want to make a video. There's some traders out there who they've never had a payout, and people follow them. They're like, I mean, I'm blown away. There's a couple of streamers who have never shown a payout, not one time, not once. The word on the streets. I mean, that's insane to me. Do Apex have the lifetime accounts now? What is that? What do you mean? Oh, lifetime. Yeah, anyhow, they do on hell through the 5th. You can buy them and activate them through the 5th. So you never had a payout. Well, that's okay, Winner Circle. Like, you're not streaming over here saying like, you're something you're not or whatever. Matt showed payouts. Yeah, I mean, Matt's had payouts. So, all right, guys, you got 1 minute. 1 minute enter. We're going to do the 50-day giveaway. So, what'd you say, AS? I didn't hear you. You got to say it louder from the back. He's won. And I like Cammy. I'm not bashing Cammy. I like him. The lifetime Apex is still. Is it the 16th? Okay, yeah. The sale's the 5th. Okay, you're right, Rick. I forgot about that. You are right. And there's nothing wrong with that. I respect the hustle, being a good salesman, that sort of thing. But to me, if you have a channel and you're calling yourself a successful trader, then you should at least be able to show some payouts. That's just my opinion only. Larry, I post a video on the strategy on my channel. You can just watch that, or you can go. This is the same strategy that Dodgy trades. I learned it. I follow the same strategy as Dodgy's DD, but I'm a little more aggressive. I add a few things to it as far as like, I'll take a B setup, a C setup, whatever. So, but people will never be profitable if they keep jumping ship. I agree. I mean, who are the people? Well, Steam, the easiest thing you can do to stop from revenge trading is take 1 to 2 trades per day. That's it. If you lose 2 trades in a row, end it. Stop it. Don't take any more. It's the easiest thing and the hardest thing to do. I'm telling you, like, it's the strategy is I trade inverses, Thiago. So for example, we'll give you an example here of one earlier that we took the trade on. So on the 30-second chart here, what you want to see is a sweep of liquidity. So we have a manipulation leg here. So we made a low. We swept this low here. And then we reswept this low here. That's a manipulation leg. Then price closed back above this previously bearish fair value gap. So on this candle here, you can see we closed above here. This would be your entry. And then at the next internal high, you would either take profit or go to break even. So you can see I decided to take profit just because today's a holiday and we're approaching another imbalance and I didn't know what was going to happen. But if you entered that trade and you wanted to target, your target would be 692, which would be the draw on liquidity, 694. So that's the strategy. That's the trade of the day right there so far. Now, obviously, I didn't manage it very well, but that's what I typically look for. It is actually a very simple strategy. Some people say, like, I hear Dodgy say, like, oh, it's very advanced. Not really. It's not really advanced. It's very, very simple. So, what's going on, RPG? So, beginner trading as well. Never showed any payout. Just keep bragging about how many people watch his live streams. Oh, I don't know who that is either. I have no idea. Yeah, Thiago, this makes sense. Yeah, no problem, Samuel. Do I have a YouTube video explaining? Yeah, I do. If you just type strategy inversions, if you just search methodical man inversions, it's there. All right, we're going to do the giveaway in just a moment here. Here, I'll look it up for you right quick. We'll find it for you. Post it in the chat. Now, I'm not a person who's trying to teach, guys, and that's what, I want you to understand. Like, I'm not trying to teach anybody how to trade. If you watch me and you like what you see or whatever, then you can, if you're like, oh, you want to trade that strategy, go right ahead. But I'm not somebody who is trying to, like, that's my goal. That's not my goal at all. I'm here for the entertainment, just to entertain you. And if you pick up something that you like or you feel like you can use, then that's awesome. If not, then that's cool too. Trading the inverse fair value, why so many lines? Because, Charles, think about it. If I'm taking a trade, do I want to short off an inverse into the VWAP? I don't want to, right? So, will I still do that sometimes? Yeah. Do I want to long into the 200? Like, you know what I'm saying? That's why I keep those on there. I'm not really using those for anything other than that. I just like support and resistance type stuff, but I don't always even pay any attention to those. You don't hear me mention them all that much, but they do offer some resistance, right? So, now I'm kind of waiting for a break and hold below the red line. No, not really. I mean, the only thing I would do here is if we pulled back and tested this gap and then got a clean inverse out of that, I would take the long. But other than that, all right, let's do the giveaway, guys. We went over a few minutes here. Let's do the giveaway. Yes. If I only traded 2 hours a day, that's perfect. Thanks, Blazing. Appreciate you. Yeah, I didn't win, unfortunately. All right, let's go ahead and do the giveaway. Explanation point cash. You got 30 seconds to get in there. Right, it's more like a confirmation, yeah. Or whatever. All right, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. McLovin in the house. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Trading Journey says, you find a new strategy every day. Yeah. Got to stick to one. Man, everybody trying to jump in here. Last second. Exclamation point cash, Stock Butcher. Money. All right, let's let Stock Butcher get in there, and then I'm closing. Sorry if you get left out. One money. All right, real exclamation point cash. Get in there. Hurry up. I'm trying to be nice. No space. Real exclamation point cash. All right, as soon as Real gets his ticket here, we're closing it down. The thirst is real. All right, here we go. Closing the entries now. Let's go. Let's pick the winner. And the winner of the $50 giveaway is GFA. GFA, are you here? Make yourself known. You got 5 minutes, GFA, to make yourself known. GFA, are you here? GFA, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. I just posted it right there in the chat. I need you to send me a screenshot of your YouTube channel showing that it is you. And I need to have your PayPal or your Cash App email or whatever, whatever you want me to send. PayPal email or your Cash App. Send that over to me and we'll get that $50 over to you right away. And we will do one more giveaway. Yeah, I need a video. You got to have 3 different angles. I need to see you pressing the button. And then I need to see... Classic. Touche. Oh, goodness. Got to see you entering the screen. I don't know. Your Apex video set is for rent. All right, we're going to go ahead and start the next giveaway here, guys. You will have to re-enter just because I don't want people who left to still be in the giveaway. Yeah, we're trying to copy Apex, yeah. The Monkey Man satire video? No, I didn't. I didn't see it. I'll probably watch that, though. Oh, my goodness. The ES is kind of just grinding up to the 668 area. Currently at 667. Actually, it's kind of funny. Nasdaq and ES are at the same number. How many times does that happen? Not that often. I mean, do we hold off and leave the 694 for tomorrow? That would be kind of fun. I don't think we do it, but it would be kind of fun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. This will be the last giveaway. FA, let me know once you send the email so I can get that money over to you. Make the video for Apex. No, Machado, they haven't asked me for anything. I mean, if they do, I'll just do it. I would be annoyed because I stream every day. Like, if you want to see me, you know, not that they know necessarily that I stream every day, but like, you know, I could clip my trade out of a couple. It would be pretty easy for me, I guess, to send a video because I kind of explain what I'm looking for anyway, and then I take the trade. So like, it'd be pretty easy to send a video. But, you know, David, what are pivots? Pivot points. So it's just like areas where you might get support or resistance on the chart. They got a pivot up there at 713. We got one down here at 541. That sort of thing. I got those bands turned on. Let me see. I think I might have. Yeah. Let's see if we can win this giveaway over here with volatilities. Smash the like button. Let's go. No, it doesn't have to be behind you, regular person. That's not true. It can be in front of you. I think they just want to see your hand in your screen. As far as I know, now unless I'm wrong. We're still in it over here. Let's see. Whoa! Hey, I fell off. Alex won. Congrats, Alex. Alex won. Congratulations. Over there on volatility stream. So if you're not in there, Alex, jump in there. All right, he's in there. I see him. Vacation. Yeah, we need to get to the vacation. And if you guys are new here, we do stream live 5 days a week, guys. 5 days a week. Why bother with Apex at this point? So many better options. Well, the affinity, you're not wrong. So, and I say that to everybody, like, trade who you like. You know, if you like Apex, trade them. If you don't like them, don't trade them. Not a big deal. You're 100% right. I mean, if you want a fast payout, I mean, Bulenox pays you in 3 to 4 days. My Funded Futures pays you in a day. Take Profit Trader pays you in a day. FastTrack, it takes about a week. You know, there are definitely options out there that are going to pay you faster and with less rules. So it's completely up to you. Completely up to you. Let's see. Share the stream by telling folks to come check out, especially when you're in the chat. Like Topstep. They might boot you if you do that, but yeah, I appreciate you. Yeah, $1.9 million payout. So you don't do anything Yeti, you just wait and we'll draw. Not that I know of, AD. Not that I know of. Maverick, that's actually not true. FastTrack, you can remove the entire buffer. There is no buffer with FastTrack. There is no buffer. So if you make $1,250, you can take out the entire $1,250. It does blow the account, but you can't. All right, Trading Mints. Yeah, yes, exactly. I mean, make your own decision. If you're okay with dealing with the rules and things like that, then trade Apex. If you're not okay with it, don't. Will it be annoying? Will I be annoyed if they make me make a video? Yeah, I'd be annoyed. What do I think about Topstep? Well, I don't think anything about them. I don't trade them anymore, Benny. They're no longer on my list because they ended their affiliate program. So they ended their affiliate program, so we don't trade them. But I did trade them, if it tells you anything. Yeah, you'll have very little drawdown if you take it without making enough money to leave yourself with some drawdown. It will for sure basically blow the account, right? You leave yourself $200-300 in drawdown, it's not going to be enough. Apex or Bulenox? I mean, right now, so Apex and Bulenox are kind of like neck and neck. And the reason is, the things that I don't like about Bulenox are the fact that you got to make a buffer and leave it in, which does allow you to keep the account longer. I do like the fact that I'll break it down for you. This is the reason that I like Apex, right? With the 25K, let's just talk about the 25K account. And I'm going to use this one for example. I just took a payout. With the 25K account, you make 15. So in the evaluation, it is a 1-to-1. Sue, thank you for your subscription. You the man. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. So you got to make $1,500 or you lose $1,500. So it's a 1-to-1 in the evaluation, right? So it's easier to pass. And then once you're funded, you only got to get to $1,600 in profit, which I did here, 1606, to take out $1,500. So I'm only losing $100 in profit that I made once I get into the funded account. So that makes this 25K account my favorite account with Apex, because it's the easiest to pass, it's the easiest to get to pay out, and I just flip it, right? Now you can't do that with Bulenox. With Bulenox, you got to get to the $2,600 in the 25K account. So to me, it kind of puts them eye to eye there. If it wasn't for this, the ability to do this on the 25K, I'd probably put Bulenox ahead of them. But I think they're kind of 1A, 1B in that scenario right now, because I can just buy a 25K account, pass it easy, and then take it to payout and burn the account and just move on to the next, which is exactly what I do. You can see I got a couple more accounts here, just a few $100s away from payout. So, but that being said, Bulenox has better customer service. They have better rules and that sort of thing. So you have to, you just have to make your own decision. What's going on, Trader Oracle in the house? So you got to make your own decision. And also, you're going to have the 20 accounts. Yeah, that's a big deal. So seems to be a privacy issue with Apex is doing. I'm sure some attorneys would need to look into this. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know. You're definitely not an employee. Yeah, F1 Racing, for sure it'll be again. I mean, they do it every month. I wouldn't be shocked if it's tomorrow or later today. Oh, wait a second. Guys, 90% is back through the end of the day. Let me adjust it. See what I just tell you. So through the end of the day, 90% is back on Bulenox. That's why I got to check it throughout the day, because, you never know with them. So 90% is back through the end of the day. I don't know why they didn't just have it through the end of the day to begin with, but somebody must have gotten their ear and said, yo, it would make sense to have it through the end of the day at least. So if you want to get that 90% off Bulenox, it's back through the end of the day. You sent the email? All right, G, I'll check it. Take a look at it. Habitual sell extenders. 50K, you're on the 8th day. What should I do? Can I build buffer before I withdraw? Yeah, you can build a buffer, IJazz, or you can flip it. It's up to you. It's all up to you. You'll get paid midnight as long as you don't break the rules, right? As long as you don't break the rules, you'll get paid. Well, Trader Oracle, you need to do something about that, man. We can't have that. We got to get the we got to up the what would be the word? The consistency on that deed. You got to trade 5 days, Shridar. So you can flip for 4 days though. There's no consistency rule in the evals, so you can pass it in 1 day and then just flip. Yeah, I saw that, Oracle. I haven't quite gotten a chance to set it up today, but I will. So, Jamie, you are correct. You can. I don't know why you would though. If you're at 2,600, why would you want to take out? What would that be? Like $1,000 and then close the account? I guess it wouldn't be that bad. Yeah, you can do that. That is an option. For sure, Steam, you could do that also. You can even do that with a funded account if you had no consistency rule. When you say flip, yes. So I take the max payout Machado. So like, for example, on this 25K account, I just took 1,500 out. That account will be blown. That account will be blown once I get my payout. So yeah. When can you withdraw? So real, you got to get the 5% profit target. So it's $1,250, and you can take out the entire $1,250. You don't have to leave anything in there, but it will blow the account. You don't have to buy a new one. You can pass an account in one day if you buy it. Yeah. We said that. And let me check on this giveaway, see what time we got left. So we'll do this giveaway at 11:30 a.m. Have I noticed a drop in Apex affiliate? Yes. Yes, I have. The 50K funded account is $140 for the activation fee, and then whatever it costs for the eval, $17. So it's like $157. Like $157, I think. Maybe 160, somewhere in there. That's what I'm saying, guys. Like, you know, to me, I'd rather just pay $91 than have a funded account. But that's just me. Obviously, I'm still trading the evals, but all right, this is interesting. We might take this. I mean, it's not going to be the highest probability setup here, but we may take it. If this holds. Oh, let me go ahead and I'll extend the sell here and extend this in just a moment. How do you put ads on your stream? Ads on my screen? What do you mean? Are there still ads? I thought I stopped them. I paused them. Sorry if there were still ads. I didn't realize it. Yeah, it's $91 winner circle for a FastTrack trading 25K account. It's direct to funding. Links at the top of the chat there. Coupon code FTT_wedding. Yeah, I buy the 25K accounts from Apex. Oh, hold me. You just have to create a source in or not a source, create a yeah, it is a source in OBS. There's a lot of videos on it. That was a short trigger there. I'm not going to take it, but as I'm still bullish. When does the FTT sale end? It ends on, what date was it? The 5th, right? It ends on Thursday at midnight. Thursday at midnight Eastern. I think we close in an hour and a half. They don't take debit. Yeah, they do. They do take it, Winner Circle Trader. You just have to pay through Wise. If you pay through Wise, you have the ability to use a debit or credit card. David, I didn't take the short, but all right, got about 2 minutes left to enter the giveaway here. Exclamation point cash. I'm going to look for the long out of this this area here. You maybe could blindly long the IBH again if you wanted to. Your stop would have to be 13 points. But I'm going to wait. It ends on the 5th, Winter Circle, Thursday. But they'll have the 30% sale after that. Buy 5, get 1 free anyway, which puts it at $105. So even if you don't get it by the Thursday, it only is $14 more after that. It's not that big a deal. Yeah, they accept a debit card through Wise if you pay through Wise. Nice job, David. You should get that touch. I think we're going to touch 40s here. All right, let me look see. We got the email from G there. Man, I kind of want a long here. I want to. You know what? Think about longing here with just a stop even like, I don't know. We'll see here. Pips, you can do it through Wise. Who just subscribed? Robert Frazier, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I'm going to risk $100 here for a bounce. Something like this. Just a quick little bounce. Should probably be a little lower. See if we get it. Small risk here. FastTrack trading. It is the rally account is the one that's $91. Oh, they're having a big Labor Day sale on Elite. I haven't seen that one. What is that one, iJazz? FastTrack is just a direct to funding, so it's the same as any other prop firm. It's just the account. There's just no eval. There's just no eval. Didn't quite get the 10-point bounce out of there. See if they want to push it back up here or not. You'll get it, Trader Oracle. If we get stopped here, not a big deal, but what up, Mon? The rally and not the Daytona. It's up to you, I Love Music. I mean, it's up to you how much drawdown you need, right? 1250 is fine for me. Might not be fine for the next person. Yeah, got us. Hold on one second. I'll go over that stuff with you guys in a minute. I'm just trying to pay attention here. So basically with the rally account, it's a 20% consistency. You got to make $1,250 to get to payout. And they use Quantower, ATOS, Sierra Charts, RTrader Pro, the ones that are listed on the website there. And then that sort of thing. 20% consistency rule means you can't make more than $250 a day. If you're looking for the minimums, if you're just looking to make $1,250 and take the payout, then the minimums would be $250 a day. If you want to make more, you can. It just means you have to make more profit. That's all. Dun, dun, dun. No, I'm not going to go short here, David. Not yet. Yeah, Atlas. They do use Atlas. On which one, Trader Edge? On FastTrack, it's 49% off, so it's $91 for an account there. $91. Oh, you're just going to be a dirty girl, huh? You're just going to be a dirty girl here and bounce right off of it again. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to join the giveaway. Yeah, so Pips Hunter, you just got to sign up for a Wise account, and then you pay with Wise. You can pay with credit card through Wise. You do have to verify yourself through Wise and all that stuff too. So, yeah, I did not receive an email yet. G, did you send it to methodicalman with no underscore at gmail.com? Yeah, they do. ES and Q. They provide you access. Oh, you dirty girl. You dirty girl. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, if you make $500 a day, you can just continue to grow the account. I mean, $500 a day, you're going to have $3,500 buffer left after you take your first payout, which is nice. And you don't even have to make. So the key thing to remember with FastTrack is there's no more buffer after the first payout. So let's say you have $1,000 left in profit after your first payout. You don't even have to get back to $1,250 to take a second payout. You can literally flip the next 10 days and just take out your $1,000. So you never have to get back to the buffer once you're there one time. So, Scott, I got your email. I also got someone else trying to pretend to be you. Unless this really wasn't you. I don't know. Hey, let's see. Patricia Lacobe, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Did you send it more than once? Or is you? Maybe this is you. You sent it more than once, didn't you? That must be what it is. Yeah, great as nothing. I mean, I agree. That's probably what'll happen. It's so Winner Circle. You'll be able to do 20. I am in their Discord. Yes. Oh, you sent 2. That might be why. Okay. Is this the right Scott? Let me check to make sure. All right, let's see what we get here. Somebody else just subscribed. Did I miss one? No, I didn't miss it. All right. They have similar drawdowns that blow the account as the other props. So yeah, so basically I love music. It's like you get $1,250 in drawdown. I'm going to try this again. You get $1,250 in drawdown, end of day drawdown, and it blows the account if you hit it. $1,250. That's on the rally account. 50K account, you get 2,500, so on and so forth. So, yeah, winner circle, exactly. 250 times 5. We might DCA here. We'll see. We shall see. Oh, yeah, we got to do the giveaway, guys. Exclamation point cash. Sorry, I forgot all about the giveaway. I forgot about it. I was waiting on G's email. What up, Alex? People are blowing like any other if you don't know how to trade. Yeah, that's true. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't get those accounts if you're not kind of confident in your trading ability. Yeah, I'm in long, Bob. ES is still above IBH. That's kind of my signal there. If the ES moves back below, then I'll get out. Otherwise, and we are on an eval here, so we can be aggressive. So there's a decent chance we'll move back to the highs. Oh, you misspelled it? All right, G. The end of day drawdown doesn't reset every day. No, it still trails. It just trails you at the end of the day. Trails you at the end of the day based on your profit and loss at the end of the day. All right, I got the email now. We got the email now. All right, we'll give it a couple more minutes here on the giveaway, guys, and then we're going to go ahead and rip it. We're going to go ahead and rip the Band-Aid off and pull it. What up, Timbo? All right. You should have the money there, G. Yeah, I still think we push back to the high here. I mean, I probably could have waited for a little. It might grind a little lower before it moves up. It may not move up at all. Who knows, really? Who really knows? Just kind of watch the ES. If it moves back below the IBH, then I'll kill it. Oh, yeah, let's go ahead and do the giveaway. Exclamation point cash, you got 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, we're going to do the giveaway. 11:44. I love cash. Let's go. You're already in there, volatility. You're already in there. 20 seconds. You see the countdown right here. We're going to close it. What's up, Stoic? AXAA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fred said, too many giveaways, too many giveaways. Yeah, had a pretty good August Stoic. I'm happy with it. Jeffrey Hall, are you here? Jeffrey Hall has won the giveaway. Where are you, Jeffrey? Yeah, G, thank you, man. I appreciate your support. Jeffrey, where you at? You got 5 minutes, Jeffrey. At 11:50, you will forfeit. And we will draw again. So hopefully Jeffrey shows up. Let's see if we can tag him. At Jeffrey. Yo. I can still tag him, so he's in here. It takes well, if you send a wire winner circle, it's the same day. If you send like an ACH or use a credit card through Wise, it's a couple days to get your accounts. But once you get the accounts, just you can take 5 or 10 trading days. It's up to you. I'm on the 10 trading days, so I do the 10 trading days for me. Expert computer, you did miss it. Jeffrey Hall won, but he has not spoken up yet, so I'm waiting on him. Anyone who can, try to at Jeffrey and say, get off the toilet. Let me see, get off the pot and claim your prize. Oh, there he is. There he is. Jeffrey's here. Jeffrey, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. I need a copy of a screenshot of your account. Just like this. Click on that. Show me your account there. Screenshot it. Send me your PayPal or your Cash App. We'll get you $50 over to you. You just purchased an account with Bulenox. You need the Rhythmic. You've been using Trade-of-8. Yeah, Ernest, I have a copy trader video on my account, on my channel. That video will show you how to set everything up. But it's really easy, really not hard. Yeah, I need a video of you, a video of you watching my channel. No, you don't have to pick, Bob. If you do it in 5, you qualify for the payout. If you don't do it in 5, it automatically switches it over to 10. So in the next 10 minutes, I want to see this push back up at least to this previous inversion. Yeah, you got to show that you're the one who pressed the button. Oh. Currency Goddess, I missed your message. Yeah, Anthony, so how it works, let me show you guys. I'll show you. FastTrack trading. Let me, hey, JHK, thank you for your subscription. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. You the man. let me find an account. I'm going to go ahead and put one in my cart, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Oh, I didn't mean to have that many in there, but I guess it doesn't really matter. So again, in the next probably 5-6 minutes, I want to see it up here into the high 50s. So then down here, you're going to select ACH wire is what you're going to select. Once you select ACH wire right there, see ACH wire, then it's going to send you an email with all the information that you need to put into Wise. And then you'll go to your Wise account, wise.com. Sending me a code. Hold on. I'll show you how it works here. Yeah, it's a winner circle exactly. No, I don't use hotkeys. So once you're in Wise, you're going to set up. I can't show you guys all of this, but you're going to set up a FastTrack trading account using the information they send you in the email. So you'll set up as an account there using that information. You can see my last payment to them, $639. And that's it. You'll just select them. So you'll set up a recipient as FastTrack Trading, and then every time you just click on it, you send them whatever you need to send them. That's it. That's all you do. But using the information that they send you in the email is how you do it. Look at this thing go. This is exactly what we wanted. Yeah, you can do it that way too, Winner Circle. However, whatever you got to do to get to your target. All right, so this will be our spot right here where we're going to kind of have to make a decision. If we can get through that inversion, then I think we see the high of day here going into the close. We're just kind of entering that macro time. I don't know if it really means much on a holiday. You still have you still have a stop loss? Yeah. So let's see if we get a push through here. I'm going to be watching this area here. It's kind of an area that I might just take profit. WISE. I'd go with the 3 if it were me, 325Ks, because you have a higher chance of getting 3 to pay out or getting 1 to pay out. So to me, I choose the 3 because you can trade those individually and maximize the potential of getting at least 1 to pay out. I want to put my stop in, but I'm not quite sure where the safest spot for it is. I'm thinking 52, but that's not really a safe spot for it. I mean, realistically, we could just put it there and lock in like $40 and see if it can hit our target. Gonzalez. Yeah, Winter Circle. I mean, like, that's why I'm with them. You know what I'm saying? Like, why not? Why not? What up, Alex? I mean, you really wouldn't want to see this come back to this area anyway. I guess maybe I could just lock in 5, but the safest place to put the stop is right there at 45, I guess, really. Yes, only put the order number in, correct. Don't put anything else with it. Put the order number in. That will help speed up the activation process. Only the order number. Yeah, Murwan, it is 49% off, but the link is up there at the top of the chat, and it's FTT underscore wedding. So I'll put it in here for you. FTT. I'm going to be asking them for a custom code sometime next week, so make it easier for you guys. I agree, expert. It took about a week. It took 8 days for my first payout and 9 days for my second payout, Winter Circle. They paid me through Wise. The second time was through Wise. The first time was through Wire. So, yes, Holy Grail. Should be MM for 90% off through the end of the day. Should still be working. Somebody let me know if it's not. You put the order number, yes. Yes, in the reference code. Yeah, y'all let me know if the Bulenox code is not working, but it should be. Yeah, Holy Grail, this morning they went to 75%, and then right here during the stream they just went back to 90. So early this morning it wasn't working because of the they went to 75%. So should be working now though. Let's see in the next 5 minutes if we can get above 64, 63 area. Yeah, of course, every new account, David, is qualified for the 5-day payout option. Every single new one. So as soon as you blow one and you buy a new one, it still qualifies for the 5-day. So it's every new account does. Let's go, Moses. You the man. Thank you, Holy Grail. Yeah, I'm trying to eval right now, Benny. Just because of the holiday. I mean, we're doing well on it, though. I mean, like, locked in already $395. Really locked in $425. We were up $500 at one point. But took a losing trade. We only had one losing trade today. It was here. Little impatience there. Could have took my 5 points if I wanted it, but or 3.5. But we're just sticking to an eval right now. Trying to see right here going into the top of the hour if we can get through. I'd like for price to kind of close up here in the next 5 minutes. If that happens, then I can be fairly confident that we're going to see the highs going into the close. They want to log my trades. So no, you don't have to, Winter Circle. So they have it on their dashboard now. So you have to fill a form out for the consistency rule. It's on the website, but they've got all the trades in on the dashboard for you. So all you got to do is just go in there and copy them over. It's just to make sure you don't breach the 20% consistency rule. That's all. I guess they don't automatically calculate it yet. Quantower is free to use. They actually have, like, you can use Quantower if you want to, or you can use Nitro, which is like a mirror of Quantower. I don't like it as well, in my opinion. I would just use the regular Quantower, but it's up to you. If you're copying across multiple prop firms, then I would just pay the $30 to use Quantower. But it is free to copy across one. Yeah, you don't have to do it every day, Winter Circle, now, because the dashboard keeps up with it. So you can literally wait until you're about to make a payout and then just fill the form out. Yeah, I like Quantower too, Rick. That's what I do. I was writing it down every day, but I'm not doing that anymore because it's on their website now, so on the dashboard. All right, I kind of want to move my stop up to this swing because that swing is now responsible for this high. So technically speaking, this swing should hold if we're going to continue higher. It's 5 more points, basically. Might be trailing it a little too tight here, but I think that's a logical spot. I want to see a little burst up in the next minute and a half. I really want to see in the next minute and a half us push into the 62, 63 area. It's like 10% Israel. It's nothing crazy. Thank you, Holy Grail. You the man. Yeah, I get like 10% on most of them. Now, the other props, there's a couple of them out there who raise it the more sales you get. But the bigger ones, don't do that. Oh, come on. I need this thing to push in the next minute. Oh, well, I'm going to take my profit if it hits that swing. Actually, you know what? Those are equal lows. I should move it down. Let's move it down. We'll keep it at, what is that, 5 points? I'm going to put it at 5 points and 1 tick. You don't think you can set it up for a trade before the closing? Yeah, you can. No, you can set it up today, Sue. You can trade it right now. It's fine. I think the market's going up, expert. Sierra chart's available as well. 1 win, 2 losses, still in the red. That sucks. Yeah, so, I mean, I would have liked to have seen this thing burst up, like coming into this final minute of the hour. I wanted it to do that earlier, like up here. I don't know if we have enough volume, gumption, to get us up to the 690 for the close, before the close, but 670 might be possible. What up, Key Ember? How's it going? Machado, I think 1 o'clock Eastern or noon Central should be the close. Yeah, expert. I haven't. I'm not giving enough room. Yes, I did. It actually has not been that bad, Camber. I've actually seen worse days than this in a regular, on like a Monday. As crazy as that sounds. Seen worse days than this on a Monday. Okay, Jeffrey. Again, somebody trying to take your money. So, which one is you? I need you to, in the chat there. I'm pretty sure I know which one's you. Just answer, did you send PayPal or Cash App? Oh, it got me. Yeah, I mean, it's not been that bad. I mean, look at the range today. It's like, it's been okay. I mean, for a holiday. That's 80 points. And then the opening range down here. Yeah, 80-point range. I mean, not too bad. We've seen some slow Mondays worse than that, right? So somebody's trying to take Jeffrey's money. I think that you sent PayPal. But yeah. Okay, you sent PayPal. All right, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, somebody trying to scam me and make me send you the money to them. I don't know. Really? Look at this. The two of them are in the chat here. I don't know which one's which. Let me go to the winner. Okay. All right, so the winner sent Cash App. So that's really dirty of you, Jeffrey Hall PayPal. And I'm going to show you how I know who is the winner and who isn't. Look at this. Yeah, I did a giveaway. The real Jeffrey Hall is the one still chatting in my Streamlabs. This is how you know who's an imposter and who's not. So, this one up here who said PayPal is an imposter. And is about to get the ban hammer. Banned. So that's how volatility got scammed the other week. But this is the way you keep that clean, and you know you're not getting scammed because this is the winner here, and so only his messages matter to me. People are crazy. Yeah, you got scammers after $50. You do, David. I'm telling you, people are crazy like that. But that's the way we keep it 100 here, and we know who is who. I actually thought it might be the one that was the PayPal because I looked at the email, and the email said he changed his email too. He changed his email to a Jeff Hall email. He pretty smart there. Pretty smart. Almost got me. I wasn't going to send it until I got some confirmation though. So all right. People are crazy. People are crazy. Trying to get my monies. All right, Jeff, let me get you your money sent to you. Crazy people. Trying to take Methodical's money. Let's see. You probably missed the trade today. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I banned them. There should be an order number on there. You're probably just overlooking it. Let me see here where my last one was. Let me see. Let me look at my last FastTrack order and see what the order number was. So it says you're at the very top. So your order number is, yeah, literally your order number is like, let me pull it up, show you right here. So if you look on your email, your order number is right there below the banking information in red. It says your order number right there. Boom. See it? So right below the financial information where you got to send it. So should see it in there. Very lackluster movements. Try to hold your position but got trailed out. Yeah. Well, that's the thing. Like, I thought it was just going to continue to go, and it didn't. But that's okay. We're locking down $495. We should have went one more tick in the profits, and we would have been good. If you guys haven't already hit that like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Jeffrey, just confirm that you did get that money right quick. If you guys are interested in trading futures and you want to support the channel, Bulenox sale for the 90% off will end tonight at midnight. APEX's sale, I think, ends on Wednesday or Thursday. When's that even end? 80% off will end. Let me see. Oh, never mind. It ends in 9 days. So 9 more days on the 80% off sale there. The FTT_wedding, 49% off will end on the 4th of September. The FastTrack there. And then Take Profit Trader, 50% off still going on. And My Fund and Futures, $76 all in if you want to try My Fund and Futures. Those are the ones that I recommend. Those are the ones that I use. Let's go for it. All right, Jeffrey, appreciate you. That's going to do it for me. We do stream live every Monday through Friday, 9:15 to noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Just depends on how we feel. Just depends on how we feel. So if you're new here today and you want somewhere to watch that's not crazy, join us every day for our stream. But that's going to do it for me. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for participating in the giveaway, and we'll see you next